Hello, everyone. My name is Aaron Martinez, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about the nucleus. So, what is the nucleus? Well, it is an organelle typically located within the center of the cell. It's often referred to as the brain of the cell. This is because this nucleus contains an organism's deoxyribonucleic acids, or its DNA, which provides the cell's instructions for its organization. The DNA is enveloped in a nuclear envelope to protect the genetic material, and it's also covered in pores for ribosomes and RNA to enter and exit the nucleus. The structure of a nucleus has DNA in a condensed form, often referred to as chromatin, to make it able to fit within the nucleus. The DNA has to be contained within the nucleus because if it is found outside in the cytoplasm, it will be destroyed by the enzymes found within it. However, ribosomes and RNA can come and leave through the nucleus from its pores without suffering damage, as the enzymes won't attack it. The nucleolus is at the center of the nucleus. It's the most condensed part of it and serves as a place for ribosome production to start. During mitosis, the nucleus has the chromatin make a copy of itself, then condense itself even further into chromosomes, resulting in 46 in total. The nuclear envelope then begins to disintegrate, which allows the mitotic spindle fibers to pull apart the different chromosomes to each end of the cell, each end of the cell having 23 chromosomes each. And then the cell keeps pulling itself further apart until there's two formed, and then after those two cells are formed, the nuclear envelope begins to form around the chromosomes again. Once they are in the nuclear envelope, the chromosomes begin to unravel and revert back to chromatin, and now both cells have a nucleus.